Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make white oil. The white oil which is used as a pesticides on plants. It is very easy to make, anybody can make it. Friends, I will show you 3 methods of white oil. First, I will show you the raw materials, then practical video. After that, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch my full video so that you can understand it properly. So let's go. See, this is kerosene. See, this is alum in a powder form. With only 2 ingredients, let's start the practical video. First of all, I have taken kerosene in an empty bowl. Now I am adding alum powder in it. Now mix it properly till all the particles of alum powder dissolves in it. See, alum powder has completely dissolved. Now I am filling it in bottle. Now close the lid and shake it well. Then keep it in sun for 3 or 4 days and shake it 2 or 3 times in a day. After 3 or 4 days, you will notice that the color has changed and the smell has gone away. See the result after 4 days. It has no color and no smell. Your white oil is ready. Friends, now I am telling you the quantity. Please note it down. Take 1 liter of kerosene oil. Then add 50 gram of alum powder in it. Then mix it properly and fill in bottle and keep in sun. Shake it well 2 or 3 times every day. After 4 days, you will notice that white oil is floating on the top and a little residue at the bottom. Then slowly separate white oil from the residue. Separated oil is your white oil. Now friends, I am telling you the second method. I am not showing you practically because I don't have raw materials. Friends, please note it down, the quantity and the method. First, take 1 liter of kerosene oil. Then mix 2 or 3 grams of zinc chloride in it. Then mix it properly. After mixing it properly, leave it for 1 or 2 days. After 2 days, you will notice that the smell has gone away and the color has also changed. So this is your white oil. Friends, now I am telling you the third method. Again, I am not showing you the practical video as I don't have raw materials. Friends, please note it down, the quantity of raw materials and the process. Take 1 liter of kerosene oil, then mix 2 or 3 grams of bleaching powder in it. The process is same. Mix it properly and leave it for 1 or 2 days. After 2 days, you will notice that it is odorless and the color has also changed. So your white oil is ready. Now friends, can you see? I am showing you a thumbnail on the screen of my last uploaded video. Friends, this video is very important for you as I have covered all the important questions and cleared all your doubts by answering in detail. So this video is very important for you. Please go and watch this video. I will give the link of this video in the description box. Friends, you can do business of white oil. This business is very profitable because the cost of making is very low and the selling price is very high. You can start your business from home from a very low investment. First, fill the bottles and go to nearby shops and tell the shopkeeper to sell your product. Give some commission to the shopkeeper. Then he will sell your product. If your product sale increases, you can go to other shopkeepers and give your product to them to sell it. Many types of bottles are available in the market. Select some attractive bottles to fill your product to attract the customers. Friends, try all 3 methods. Which method you loved the most? Please write in the comment box. Friends, did you like my video? If so, please press the like button and share my videos with all your friends and relatives. Friends, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. You will notice all written on the top. Please press all button. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So pressing all button is very important. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.